I made a video about this book. Actually, I made 2 videos about this book. And in the first video, it took me so long to go through the table of contents that it really left me thinking. Now, this video is going to be a little bit of a different video than the ones that I usually make, because I'm not really talking about any one book. I'm going across multiple books in multiple parts of math. And just showing how different the table of contents can be. So these are tables of content. And I found this particular take on a table of contents interesting because it is so long that you can almost read a summary of the book just by reading the table of contents. But that is not normally how it is done. And again, I'm not going to read the details. It doesn't really matter. For the purpose of this video, what the content is more like how it is structured. And so, yeah, there are many different takes on a table of contents in various books, not just in mathematics. Of course, I'm only talking about math books right here. But look at this. You can go all the way and have a very detailed table of contents. And that's just one way of doing it. Okay. Now, the more common way that it is done, and I'll use Pew as an example, but this fits, I'm going to say, a good 3/4 of all the math books that I have. It's just like that. Chapter, section number, name of the section. That's it. Most books come out like this. But if you go back to the olden days, okay, such as Gauss's number theory book, I'll zoom in on this one, and hopefully I remember to zoom out. Then the old way is a lot like the PDE book with the very detailed table of contents. The table of contents is almost a quick summary of the book, right? So each section has, all the subsections are labeled. So every single subsection is given a long title, and it's really a very descriptive title, okay? So that's really the old way. So in a way, the longer table of contents that I was showing before is a little bit of an old-fashioned take on a table of contents. I personally like this way because it's very descriptive. It's got more. Okay. Then, and I'm going to zoom out. Then there's another book that's not as old as Gauss, but it's a little on the old side. Okay, and in this case, it's sort of like a middle ground between those extremes of just name of the section, name of the chapter, all the way down to a very descriptive. This is sort of in the middle. In this case, the sections are not labeled, they're not numbered, and you don't know what page, which page that means. You just know that the page on Eisenstein's irreducibility theorem is somewhere between pages 58 and 88. That's all you really know. Yeah, so that's another take. It's a little bit also of an old-fashioned take. And then, of course, if you've got a big book these days, okay, in our era, then you're going to get parts. That's the reason why I wanted to show this book, and this will be the end of the video. If you've got parts, you've got a large enough book, you're going to have part, chapter, sections, page, part, chapter, section, page. Yeah. So I wanted to end right there. Just wanted to give a quick, I was just curious. It just piqued my curiosity.